Pronunciation of difficult words, Part 2. Nervous, however, lull, proceed, disappointed, quivered, suspicions, hurrying, quarters, became, remark, queer, yarned, scented, dazed, forgiven, realized, particular, usually, impersonally, summary, softened, mustaches, followed, disadvantages, astonishment, creaking, utter, motionless, amazingly, stillness, hangs, rang, observe, syrup, posing, apologetic, hesitatingly, exclamation, in raise, investigate, dignity, agitated, mustn't, stabbing, breeze, oughtn't, cadaverous, etc., fourth, presently, few, placid, somehow, delighted, advantages, indefinable, through, grateful, fascinated, gesture, drifting, amazed, sinking, caulking, uneasy, right hand, yule, quickened, alas, justified, uncorked, beside, quarrel, passion, lecturer, heartily, assail, dissolved, denounced, unobserved, decent, fancies, approached, mourned, unprepared, infinitely, alarmed. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.